Eto, naka-ready na yung aking bag. Yan. Na-ready ko na din yung isusuot ko. Nandito na rin. Yan, nakaset na yan dyan. Then, nandito na rin yung shoes, tsaka yung, medyas. Saan po kayo? Isa Noble. Nakikita ko kayo dito sa isang cellphone kasi yung isang cellphone yung naka-live. Para mabasa ko pag may mga comment. Michelle Gatdula, hello. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for coming po. Hello, Pramod. Welcome back. Thank you so much. This is just a quick update live before I get ready for work. I just woke up. No, I'm closing today, so that's why I sleep more than maybe 3 nights ago. Happy Sunday. Yes, same to you. Sa sales po ako, Michelle. Sa sales po ako dito sa Bahrain. Yes. So, today our closing is 1 to 10. So, I'm 1 to 10 today. So, I'm leaving at 12 o'clock exact. May Art Official, thank you so much. Welcome po, welcome. Thank you, Pramod. May Art Official. Mega love shout out, 8 million viewers na nagtsatsaga po sa pagsuporta. From Iza Nobli, Michelle Gatdula, Vada Kayel Pramod, Michelle Gatdula, ay na-mention ko na po. May Art Official. It's interesting, ha? I think si May Art Official, ano po yung nyo, content nyo po. Tess Naron Vlogs, mega love shout out. Thank you so much po, 14 million viewers. Mas maganda pala pag dito ako sa bahay mag-live. I think much better kung mag-live ako pag day off ko. Para mabigyan ko din po ng mga ng mga banana yung ibang yung mga nag-YouTube din. No, not yet actually. I just wake up. But I'm thinking what to eat. I'm thinking if I will take heavy meal and then I'll just take coffee on my break, or I'll take oatmeal now. I'll check how many minutes